Morning, students. Today's topic is about an amortization, but this time is for a home loan. Okay, when it comes for your time to buy your own house, your own property, apartment, condo, or whatever real estate that you want to purchase, you need to be aware of the things that are involved in this. Okay, and this part of the class of the direct instruction is to show you how this works. Okay, so I have two examples. I have the same rate for both examples. Okay, what is just changing is the number of years for both credits, okay, or loans. Okay, this is something that happens a lot during these days. uh, Houses around the 200 US dollars. If you are working with 3 years, so that means that we have 12 months per year, you are going to submit 360 payments for that house. So you will see something very, very long like this. It's a lot of months, time, and money, okay? Until the final payment is zero, okay? At this point, that house is yours, okay? But the same as the example of the credit cards, same, we have the same stuff. We have a couple of changes because this thing is a little bit more complex, but it's essentially the same. Okay, one thing that I want to share with you kids, please notice the numbers that will appear in this section. Okay, so the payment, the calculation for the payment, considering the rate and the period, the present value and the future value, what that is zero because we pretend to pay this in full. Please notice that the principal is almost $200,000. Okay, so that's a lot of money, but you actually will pay more than that. Okay, so let's select the whole column C. Okay, if I select this, just clicking on this, all the column will be selected, and the sum for everything is almost $400,000, 391,834 with 60 cents. So this is a lot of money. So you might ask, why am I paying too much if the credit that I am asking or the loan is just this? Okay, remember the only part of your payment that is counting toward your debt is the principal. Okay, so if you select the column E, which is the principal, you will notice that the principal sum is the same as the original loan that you got. Okay, so this is only this money is the only money that is going to reduce your debt. But as you can see, you start at the beginning with just few money, just 234 of this of your payment of almost $1,100 is going to the principal. So it takes a lot of time for that payment to be increased until the last payment, most of your money, like in this case, the last payment, most of the payment is going to capital, and only we have $5 for interest. Okay, so as you can see, we start with paying a lot of interest and less money for the principal, but as the time goes by, we have the opposite. We end paying more for the principal, which is good, and less for the interest. And that is because every time, month after month, the payment is reduced. Okay, remember, the less you owe, the less interest you pay. Okay, so what happens, as you can see, the interest in this specific case is almost the double. I mean, the full payment is almost the double as the principal that you got originally from this loan. But what happened when you